Hello everyone, welcome to Learn the Lingo. My name is Matthew, and today I am bringing you a new Hebrew story, which we are going to translate into English and read through in Hebrew. This story is called Ma Ta'asi Hayom. Ma means what, and the verb ta'asi means will you do. The tav prefix and e ending of this verb show that the tense is future, and the subject is you, feminine singular. Hayom means the day, which is the Hebrew expression for today. So, ma ta'asi hayom means what will you do today? The first page of this story says, Moshe amar LaRachel ma ta'asi hayom. Moshe is the name Moses in Hebrew. The two vowels of the verb amar are kamatz and patach. These show that the tense of this verb is past, and the subject is he. Amar means said. Le means to, and Rachel is the name Rachel. Then we once again have the question, Ma ta'asi hayom, which means, what will you do today? Moshe amar LaRachel, Ma ta'asi hayom. Moses said to Rachel, what will you do today? The next page says, Rachel amra, haboker ochal bitzim v'lechem. Again, Rachel is a name, Rachel, and amra is a verb. It has an a ending, which shows that the tense is past, and the subject is a she, Rachel in this case. Amra means said. Haboker means the morning, which is the Hebrew expression for this morning. The verb ochal has an olive prefix that shows that the tense is future, and the subject is I. So, ochal means I will eat. Beitzim is eggs, v means and lechem means bread. Rachel amra, haboker ochal beitzim v'lechem. Rachel said, this morning I will eat eggs and bread. בשמונה וחצי אלך אל החנות של אבא שלי לעבוד. אעבוד במשך 3 או 4 שעות. ב means at, and שמונה means 8. וחצי means and a half. בשמונה וחצי at 8:30. אלך means I will go, which has the olive prefix that shows that the tense is future, and the subject is I. El means to, and hechanut means the store. Shel means of, and Abba means father. Sheli is the preposition shel, of, with the suffix e, me. Sheli, of me. We can rephrase hechanut shel Abba sheli as my father's store. La'avod is the infinitive to work. E'evod is the future tense I will work, with the olive prefix that shows that the subject is I and the tense is future. B'meshech means for, as in for a period of time. Shalosh is 3, o is or, arba is 4, and sha'ot means hours. בשמונה וחצי אלך אל החנות של אבא שלי לעבוד. At 8:30, I will go to my father's store to work. אעבוד במשך 3 או 4 שעות. I will work for 3 or 4 hours. Next page. משה שאל, מה תאכלי בצהריים? Moshe is again the name Moses, and sha'al is a past tense verb whose subject is a he, in this case, Moses. Sha'al means asked. Ma means what, and tochli means will you eat. The tav prefix and e ending show that this verb is a future tense verb whose subject is you, feminine singular. Ba means at the, and tzohoraim means noon. In Hebrew, we say at the noon instead of just at noon. Moshe sha'al, ma tochli batzohoraim. Moses asked, what will you eat at noon? Rachel responds, batzohoraim ochal kerichim im ima sheli. Batzohoraim again means at noon, and ochal means I will eat. Kerichim is sandwiches. Im means with, ima means mother, and sheli means of me. Ima sheli, my mother. Batzohoraim ochal kerichim im ima sheli. At noon, I will eat sandwiches with my mother. V'ha'erev anachnu nelech b'park im haklavim shelanu. V means and ha'erev means the evening, which is the Hebrew expression for this evening. Anachnu means we, and nelech means we will walk, with the nun prefix that shows that the subject is we, and the tense is future. Ba means in the, and park is park. Im again means with, haklavim means the dogs, and shelanu means of us. Haklavim shelanu are dogs. V'ha'erev anachnu nelech b'park im haklavim shelanu. And this evening, we will walk in the park with our dogs. Uma at rotza la'asot halayla. U is a different pronunciation of va, which is and ma means what. A is the feminine singular pronoun you, and rotza is the feminine singular form of the present tense want. La'asot means to do, and halayla means the night, that is, tonight. Uma at rotza la'asot halayla. And what do you want to do tonight? Last page. Ani rotza likro kol halayla. Ani means I. Rotza is again the feminine singular form of the present tense want. And likro means to read. Kol means all. And halayla means the night. Kol halayla, all the night. That is, all night. Ani rotza likro kol halayla. I want to read all night. Now that we've read and understood this story and translated it into English, let's read it all back through in Hebrew. This story is called Ma Ta'asi Hayom. Moshe amar LaRachel, Ma Ta'asi Hayom. Rachel amra, הבוקר אוכל ביצים ולחם. ב8:30 אלך אל החנות של אבא שלי לעבוד. אעבוד במשך 3 או 4 שעות. משה שאל, מה תאכלי בצהריים? בצהריים אוכל כריכים עם אמא שלי. והערב אנחנו נלך בפארק עם הכלבים שלנו. ומה את רוצה לעשות הלילה? אני רוצה לקרוא כל הלילה. And that's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and share. And if you want to learn more Hebrew, please consider subscribing to my channel and checking out some of my other videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.